Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to play video on Google Chrome browser. No need to install VLC player or any other media player. And one more advantage of this particular process, if you are connect this one via Chromecast or cast for your television, so you are receiving very good quality of content in your television screen. So how to play video on Google Chrome browser, we will see detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So first of all, I will tell you we need to install one of the extension. So the extension name is a video player. I already put it this link in same video description, so you just simply click on that particular link and simply download this extension. I on this extension. Sometimes without this extension you can't play any kind of video in browser. So now I will play here. Here is one picture, Allu Arjun's picture, Allu Vaikuntapuram. I just simply drag and drop here, and look at this. I just play this music, and that's it. The movie is play here. I can very easily play this video and cast also for my television via using this process. I already make a video how to cast the video or your laptop screen on your television, so you can watch this video also. So it's very simple process to play any kind of video to Google Chrome.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.